Everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Mitsubishi remote head key battery in case you have a key not detected situation or you cannot unlock the car doors. So what we'll do, we'll have to open it and take the battery out, put the new one in. The battery we'll use is a CR1616 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Here I have a flathead and a smaller flathead. Very simple. First we have to find a slot on the left right here to open the cover, okay? So I will take the bigger flathead, insert, and I turn clockwise and it opens. See? Now we'll leave this aside. This is where the battery and the chip, the transponder chip, is inside, and here there is another slot, okay? To open it, you will see it. I will take the flathead once again, gently, clockwise. Very easy, no need to apply a lot of pressure. And there we go. Don't touch this one. This is the transponder chip. And here is the battery. Now I'll take a smaller flathead and right here on the side, I put it underneath and I take the battery out, okay? And as I mentioned, CR1616, okay? Now this is a good battery, face down. To put it, first I put the left side and I push. Once again, to take it out, flathead underneath, and to put it back to the left first, and I push. It's all good. Now I will put the cover, push, make sure everything is okay. As you can see, it works again. I'm gonna put it all together. Right, 1 second. Be a little bit annoying sometimes, but not too much. And that's about it. Very easy. And please like this video and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.